know which parts of the female body men tend to explore most often. However, she is much more than just vagina, breasts, and butt. Although the highest concentration of nerve endings are in these areas, her body has pleasure sensors spread throughout. Getting it in the mood could be as simple as stimulating some of these often ignored regions. Tapping these spots during foreplay, sex, or even after a hard day is sure to earn you some extra brownie points. Hair. Taking care of their beautiful locks is not the only reason women visit the hairdresser so regularly. The process of washing, cutting, coloring, or styling your hair can actually be a way to relieve stress. Running your hands gently through her strands is a guaranteed way to send shivers down your spine. Massage with your fingers in circular movements, from the temples to the back of the neck, and she will be completely surrendered to you. Pelvis. Focusing your attention on her pelvis is a fantastic idea. However, you will need to resist the temptation to go straight for the vagina while it is so close. Tease the inner thighs, kiss and slide your lips over the pelvic area. Earlobes. Touching, kissing, or even gently biting your partner's earlobes will greatly increase her pleasure. These delicate, sensitive areas are incredibly receptive, and many women love the feeling of a man's lips on them. You can also explore the rest of the ear with light bites, but please avoid sticking your tongue inside the ear. Lower back. The best way to guide your partner through a crowd is to place your hand gently on her lower back. This gesture conveys that you have her back, without seeming too dominant like an arm around her shoulders might seem. When you are alone, kissing or licking her spine, ending with a kiss in that area, will speed up her heartbeat. While common erogenous zones like the genitals and breasts are well known, secondary zones, ears, neck, scalp, etc., can heighten arousal through unexpected stimulation, creating novelty and excitement. Nape. Once you reach the back of the neck, try distributing some light kisses there. In ancient Japanese culture, the back of a woman's neck was considered extremely attractive, as it was one of the few areas of the body that was not covered by clothing. In modern times, the back of the neck is often ignored in favor of other, more obvious pleasure zones. However, never underestimate the impact of gentle touches and kisses, which can range from the hairline to the shoulders. So, intimate touch is as much about emotional connection as it is about physical pleasure. It shows care, attention, and affection, which strengthens relationships. Touch can reduce cortisol levels, helping your partner feel more at ease and open to connection. Poem of the day. And then, when you are very in love with yourself, you can be very happy and fall in love with someone. John Lennon. Check out the description and discover how to become unforgettable for a woman. As mentioned in the video, the love poet may have been lucky to win her, but it takes art to keep her.